Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm looking at the 46FL Luxe Luxury Fifth Wheel Front Living Floor Plan. I'm going to walk through this floor plan with you and show you the progress that's going on here. A lot of the slides are being put in, so I'll walk up the steps, show you what's going on here. What we have here is a beautiful, huge kitchen area with the largest island that we put in our units. This is a very large, we'll have a lot of counter space in this front living floor plan. Walking back here, there's your washer and dryer. This is a small half bath, very nicely done. Because we're in a front living floor plan, there is a lot of ceiling space. So what we've done in the ceiling space, we've put cabinets up high in this ceiling space, so you've got a lot of storage in this unit. Lots of storage. So I'm going to walk even further back here into the bedroom area. It's going to be a little harder to see into the bedroom area because they're working on the slides. They're working on a lot of the cabinetry that's going in to this beautiful high ceiling bedroom. It'll have a king size bed in here. We'll squeak through here and go into the bathroom area. A lot of things are getting done in this beautiful, beautiful front living. Lots of cabinet space, huge amount of cabinet space in this bathroom area back here. So they've got the glass door on the one-piece fiberglass shower. Got some residential metal fixtures. This is going to be a beautiful vanity area in the back here with a nice sink, lots of storage, and high ceilings. We're going to switch around over here, show you the other view. From this view from the back of the front living floor plan, it is just gorgeous. This is going to be a really beautiful showpiece for us with a lot of storage, a lot of living area. So in the upstairs area, you've got a beautiful entertainment area. The fireplace is in, the TV is in, they're putting a lot of the lights in, storage in. They're going to have a nice sound bar with a subwoofer in there, opposing slides with a lot of seating room. Amazingly high ceilings for this. This will have approximately 6'6" in this area, and the rest of the coach you're going to have the standard 8'3", lots of head space. This will be a very good floor plan for tall folks like me, people that are 6 foot and above. It's going to really be a nice floor plan. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about our front living floor plan. We'll be glad to give you any information that you need on this floor plan. Have an excellent day.